Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I am gonna close out today. I did close out earlier at like around 11:15. So today was a very early day. I ended, and I will tell you why, and I will go through the trades with you. So today morning, only two trades, good trades, were possible. This is like the first time I've made this much in the morning in a long time. The market was very nice to us. You can notice this teal right here, right? Oh shoot! You can notice this teal right here, right? Yellow as well. So we were guided by. I followed yellow mostly up here, right? Yellow, microstructure right here, right? Take the trade down here, right? This is 1 point, right? Then we set up. We see this handle of some sort, or right here, right, with this orange algo, right? And this was the trade of the day basically for me. After this, this was a 5-figure trade, okay? So what you can notice here is the left shoulder here, right, right here, right, and then the right shoulder right here, okay? And we had a micro head and shoulder right here, right, and this right shoulder that pushed us down, and we had a stronger selling algo, even the dark red right here. We were guided down by that, right? So I want to explain some things, right? So when you're trading, when you do become experienced, right, you're not trading PNL anymore. You're trading the chart, right? Or you're trading just the structure, right? So a lot of people might see the PNL, right? Because I entered over here, right, at 0.69. I'll insert. Oh, well, that's too work. Oh frick! I should have uploaded it. That's my fault. So I entered at 0.69 here, okay? And over here, I was up like already like 2 grand, right? So people, or I think right here, right? So like people might have been like just like rush out of the trade, right? But why would you rush out when you're in this strong selling and we haven't even broke the selling, right? As well as there was no like areas of support in the 30-minute till this area right here, okay? This 543.39 area, right? So we there was no reason to exit the trade, um, and just follow the red down, right? Because when you're just missing out on profits, right? You, of course, you can protect some like around here, right? And see if we do build liquidity at this yellow, right? Which is always a possibility, of course. So you could have protected some here, right? But you don't want to. Again, you want to trade with structure, and if the structure didn't give you a reason to exit the trade, right, don't exit it, right? A clear exit, if the trade didn't go the way it would have reclaimed this yellow right here off this purple. That's when you exit the trade, okay? And you would have still been in profits because your entry was right here, so you would have been up like a couple hundred right there, or like close to 1,000 right there, right? Even if you get stopped out around here, right, at yellow, okay? So again, that, and this last trade was okay. Didn't really like this much because you had that purple tapering, right? But it was a nice entry. I would have taken some. I would have, but I didn't really want to. But if I wanted to take that trade, I would have taken like a small position. It wouldn't be nothing big. It would not be a big trade like this trade, okay? And I should have made this video later after I trade logs, because I don't really want to edit. That's too much work. So I was gonna show you guys an image of the trade, but I think I posted it on my Instagram. My entry. Well, whatever, I'll see. Okay, but okay, then you have to notice this blue, right? And we could see we're tapering around this blue, right? As well as completing this inverse cup right here, right? At this teal area, right? So we were looking for some type of retracement up, right? And we saw that blue tapering right there, right? Along with the purple tapering right here, right? So this was the last trade of the day for me, and that told me everything, right? So this trade right here, you can see this is basically a inverse head and shoulder, right? with the right shoulder giving us a microstructure right here, right? This right shoulder. However, you can notice, right, the lack of continuation. So we didn't have strong buying off this green algo, right? And that was a telltale indication of a choppy, basically a choppy way up, or you know, like a slow way up, right? And that's not the trades I take. I take trades, like I tell you guys, I take trades like this, where price action is very fast, if that, or like, you know, I don't take I don't hold trades. I don't I'm a very active trader. When I'm trading, I'm like on the I'm not like leaving my desk. I'm not like, so like I don't trade without a big continuation structure, right? Or you know what I'm saying? So like you can clearly see from this, right? Um, we just didn't have that strong buying green, right? All the way up. So yeah, that told me everything I needed to know. Um, and yeah, but if you did want to, you could have. I don't even think there's a good entry right here. You know, like it's very choppy. But if you did wait, you could have taken some type of entry right here, right? But again, it's not worth it. You know, I've already made so much here, and you could just call it an early day, man. This is not worth it, okay? You just being in a chop, like it's not worth it. You're just gonna be waiting, and it's not, the price action is not fun, okay? Trading is supposed to be fun, okay? You're not supposed to like bicker and just wait for chops to take trades in a chop, right? So again, you could have been done within the first hour of the day. Like literally, this trade happened at 10:14. It hadn't even been an hour. It's only been like 45 minutes, right? And yeah, so after that, I really did take a chill. That was a 5-figure trade, okay? I'm not gonna lie. So again, I'm gonna show you guys the 5-minute context and what to look for, right? Again, you can see this yellow tapering, strong tapering right here, right? So we have to wait for some type of cup to close, and some type of so ultimately closing this cup up here, right? We want to see a bigger push up and possibly use this yellow tapering as support and make a cup off of the yellow, right? And just push up, right? And when we push up, we're basically aiming for, it's gonna be a big push up. So I think we might head back to the 548 levels, or if not, yeah, okay. So like I said, we're gonna grab liquidity right here, and yeah, we're definitely gonna hit the 548 levels, and then we can form this cup at 548.21, right? And that's what we have to look for, right? And then the ultimate cup at 550, okay? If we are back headed up, right? But if we aren't headed up, this is gonna, okay, I'm just gonna, so if we aren't headed up, we're gonna basically reject off this yellow right here. We're building really good liquidity actually, so we're gonna have to wait for this. So basically wait for this inverse cup to close right here, right? And see the structure you get. So I'm just gonna draw that so you guys can, I don't want to make you guys confused, right? So basically we're gonna have the teal algo right there. So we're gonna close on this teal, right? Then form some type of microstructure, right? And then ultimately close this inverse cup, hopefully, right? And then have another teal right here, okay? So that's the play that we should look for if we are headed down. It's gonna be a long way down, so even if you miss the trades today, it's fine because there's gonna be opportunity. And again, if we are headed down, we're gonna close it right here. We're gonna take it off yellow as well as teal, right? Right? All the way down. And we might test teal right here, right? And see what happens here. We might get some sort of retracement up here, right? And then we drop all the way down, 542. So there's still, the market is revealing itself every day, and it's making us self-clear, right? And if we are headed up, like I said, we're gonna close this cup right here, right? And then form side, or we're gonna form some type of microstructure right here off of pink, and then close this cup at 548 548 level right here. Okay, so yeah, that's what to look out for. Pretty simple if you know, understand the market context. I'm not really applying the 30-minute yet, but to the full, again, if we are headed up, you're gonna see this right off of right here, right? I honestly, the deeper, the more chop, the better, because we are building a better risk to reward. But yeah, you are also gonna see entry right here around the 546, 547 level, which is gonna be basically this right here. So we're gonna grab liquidity right here, right? Um, and yeah, so that's basically correlated in that 30-minute. So that's what to look out for. And yeah, that's pretty simple. I hope you guys see what I'm seeing. And then again, same thing, it would be basically then after here, you would go up, again, grab liquidity, right? Um, uh, right. Right. Alright guys, see you guys tomorrow, and hope you have a great day.